My name's Paul VreNon. I'm a cosmetic dentist here in Las Vegas. I'm accredited with the Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, the only one in Las Vegas. I've had a working relationship with Dr. Leavitt for 8 years. I love doing basically easy cases to multidisciplinary cases with him. We have a very synergistic relationship. When I send patients to Red Rock Periodontics and I know they're going to see Dr. Leavitt, I get what I ask for, so my results are bar none. So if I'm going to get an implant placed, or I'm going to get some grafting or connective tissue or some aesthetic crown lengthening, it's done to my specifications. So when it comes back, my job is 10 times easier. I do a lot of continuing education. I'm probably one of the most educated dentists in Las Vegas. He actually teaches education and he goes to a lot of classes with me, so we stay on the forefront of clinical dentistry and cosmetic dentistry, and also implant dentistry for him. Working together, we get phenomenal results for the patient. We document a lot of our cases, we talk about all our cases, we've published our cases together, so we have a fantastic relationship, and the result is phenomenal for the patients. We have a great referral system together because he gets complex cases, he doesn't really know what to do restorative aspect. I get some complex cases and I don't know what I can do implant-wise with them. So working together, we just seem to really click. There's nobody else in town that I'd rather work with.